In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply for financial aid on Coursera. Financial aid is a fantastic program that allows you to receive a discount on paid courses, making education more accessible to everyone. While not every course offers this option, many do, and I'll guide you through finding out if the course you're interested in does. To check if a course offers financial aid, start by navigating to the specific course page. Here, you want to look for the Financial Aid Available option. If you see it, that means you're in luck and can apply for this benefit. However, if the option isn't visible, it indicates that particular course doesn't provide financial aid. Assuming the option is available, let's begin the application process. Click on the Financial Aid Available link and then proceed by selecting Next. If your application is approved, you could receive up to a 90% discount on the regular course price, which is a significant saving. After this, click Continue to the application to move forward in the process. The application form will first prompt you to fill in some basic information. Begin by selecting your highest level of education. Then, enter your annual income and choose your currency from the drop-down menu. This is important as it ensures your financial aid request is properly evaluated based on your local economic context. After that, specify your employment status, whether you're working full-time, part-time, currently unemployed, or if you're a student. Next, you'll encounter an important section where you need to write a short description explaining why you're applying for financial aid. It's key to be honest and provide a transparent reason. Consider discussing your current financial situation and emphasize your dedication to completing the course. Once you have filled out these details, scroll down and click Next. You will then be asked to describe how much you can afford to pay for the course and elaborate on how this course will support you in achieving your personal or professional goals. Take your time here. A thoughtful response can make a strong case for your application. The final steps involve confirming your commitment to completing the course and verifying the accuracy of all provided information. You will see a box where you must type out the sentence, "I agree to the terms above." This step affirms your understanding and agreement with Coursera's terms. Once everything looks good, click on Review to double-check all the details you've entered. When you feel ready, hit Submit Application. If your application is successful, you will receive a discount for the course, making it more affordable. Most applications for financial aid on Coursera are approved, so you'll likely be able to start learning at a significantly reduced cost. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to apply for financial aid on Coursera, opening doors to valuable learning experiences without financial strain.